In this video, we'll show you how to set up the FraudLabs Pro Fraud Prevention app on your Magento 2 store. First, log into your Magento 2 admin area. Go to Stores, Configuration. Click on FraudLabs Pro. Set Enable to Yes to enable the fraud prevention module. To use this plugin, you'll need a FraudLabs Pro API key. If you don't have one, you can sign up for a free API key here. Let's go to your FraudLabs Pro merchant area. Copy your API key. Then paste your API key here. You can change the Magento order status based on the FraudLabs Pro status by selecting options for Approve, Review, or Reject. Let's select Processing for Approve status. So, if your order is approved by FraudLabs Pro, the Magento order status will be changed to Processing. Then, select On Hold for Review status and select Canceled for Reject status. You can enable notifications for different order statuses here. For more information, you can visit this article on how to enable notification using Zapier. By enabling the Sync Complete Canceled status, your Magento order status will sync automatically with FraudLabs Pro transaction status. For example, when an order in the Magento shop is marked as complete, the status is updated in the FraudLabs Pro system to Approved. Once done, click on Save Config. Now, you know how to set up the FraudLabs Pro Fraud Prevention app on Magento 2. Start protecting your store today with FraudLabs Pro.